just a fun side tangent real quick. Let's say you do get a bunch of price appreciation and you don't know how to spend that money in the time frame that you need to in order to be able to offset your taxes. If you do have an LLC set up, you can do this when you start your LLC or after you've already set one up. If it's when you first start it, you get to designate what your year end is. And if you just made a bunch of money, you could designate your year end like the end of the month previous to when you made a bunch of money. It doesn't have to be September 30th or October 1st or September 1st or December 31st. You can literally make your year end for your company whenever you want it. Now, you have to abide by that when you file your taxes. And you can only change it once every 10 years. So for those that have already set up LLCs that have your year end dated December 31st, you will have to file an amendment with the state and with the Fed and let them know that you're changing your fiscal year. But that will give you, if you made it the month prior to whenever you had the liquidity event, it gives you 11 months to figure out how to spend that money and what to do with it in order to be able to offset the tax implications that you're going to have if you did take significant profits. So just another little hack that we have in our pocketbook to be able to help people if and when, more likely when, that situation plays out. But, if we had something happen here in the next couple months, you got a whole quarter to figure it out. Most people start talking about taxes with their CPA and their accountant, somewhere between September and October. You can kind of forecast what your cash flows are going to be, what your revenues are, how you're going to be deploying the capital, what type of return you're going to make, and be able to figure out, pretty close to what your income is going to be for the year.